Ooh, buddy, JJLEE squad, what is up, man? I know it's been a minute. How y'all doing, bro? It's been a minute. I say what, 4 or 5 months exactly, bro. I know, but I just been uploading shorts, trying to get the channel and the channel content out there more, so it can get like more viewers and more traction a little bit. So I just been throwing shorts up. So I hope I know y'all been liking that too. So, but yeah, got a new mod coming from the scat. Everything's been fine with the scat. I did have to take it back to the shop because of why I was having like charging issues with my battery, and I got a new alternator, I got a new battery. Still battery wasn't staying charged up enough, but I can tell like the battery was old because that, you know, ever since my car, it took like 8 months to get it built. That battery was, that bad battery was still in there, so I replaced that. Alternator looked bad. I upgraded that to a 220 alternator, 220 amp alternator, because I was like, I'm probably gonna put more lights on this baby, so I go ahead and upgrade that. So let me go ahead and turn it around. This is how the baby's looking still, bro. Perfect, good, no issues whatsoever, bro. Let me go ahead and pop the hood for you. But yeah, the last mod I did was these hood pins, which is crazy. But yeah, I was like, let me pick it up because I got a new mod coming for the scat. Let me show y'all which wire so y'all can watch out for it. Because I seen one other person with this problem too. It was this wire right here. It was like burnt and crispy. Like it was just burnt and crispy. So I was like, God dang, that gotta be it. So my boy Isaiah told me about it. Ended up ordering the right part. Dropped the car back off in Killeen at High PSI. You know, the best shop in Killeen, or Harker Heights, pretty much, that built my engine for me, bro. So I do appreciate them. They got me in. They were swamped, but they still got me in. So I love, bro. I love it, bro. I love High PSI and the way they work. So, but yeah, they got me in and out, fixed that wire for me, about $100. So, and it was like 70 on eBay. So, other than that, it's Gucci, bro. Other thing, kinda, bro. My mid pipes keep scraping, and they are the JBA mid pipe. So that's the only thing else. Well, it's kind of a problem, but not too much. But I also painted my headers red. But that's pretty much it, man. But I guess I'll go ahead and tell y'all the new mod for the scat. I got brand new headlights coming. I like these. I love the stock look of the headlights. But you can see a little bug in here, and it's just boring, bro. It's boring. So I ended up finding these lights. I think they buy like Spec-D or something like that, bro. They look sick. They're sequential LEDs, bro. It's a whole different design for the charger, and I haven't seen nobody around here or anywhere, bro, really, that got these headlights. I think they just came out. Everybody getting the Alpha Rex, which looks like the TRX. They got the 4 lights or the 2 lights, and then they got the 2 going around it as the whole blinker and stuff like that. I was like, I don't like how those headlights look. They kind of look ugly to me, bro. So I was like, I found these. I was like, I just knew instantly, and they a good price, bro. They're like about $350. Honestly, I was like, damn. But when I saw them, bro, I was like, that's it. Those are the lights that'll fit this kit and fit this car perfectly and look different, bro. So I can't wait. So I'll probably show y'all them whenever they get here. They are out for delivery, so I want to go ahead and pick the camera up, tell y'all about what's been going on, give a little update on the car. Everything's been going pretty good, and I'll just let y'all know, man. So the next time the camera will come on, I'll show y'all the lights, and then I'll probably get a view from at night too, during the day and at night, because they look really sick, bro. So we'll see. So stay tuned. But this how this baby looking, bro. I love this thing, bro. And then, oh yeah, I think SRT bags don't work no more. So when I was having those battery problems, I guess it fucked it up, bro. So that's just, it looked good like that because it matches the thing with the car pretty much. But other than that, man, like I said, whole different design, bro. So stay tuned. There's a whole different, man. It's gonna look sick, bro. I can't wait till they get here. That's why I'm kind of like not back in, because this is like my little working area. So I'm gonna just take out this bumper and be ready, bro. So like I said, man, stay tuned. Just to how the car looking good. But yeah, the only problem I say really is the mid pipes are scraping. Because I guess, you know, I got the H&R Lawrence Springs, and these roads ain't that good over here. They bad, bro. They trash. And there's those big bumps that be hitting the mid pipes. I tried to get them adjusted a little bit, but really didn't help. So I'll probably have to get new mid pipes sooner down the line. Because I know it might have like a tiny exhaust leak or something. But yeah, that's pretty much it, bro. Like I said, y'all remember to subscribe, follow your boy on Instagram. I do try to post daily on Instagram. Also, oh yeah, bro, I can't forget. This is a long little intro, but the tail lights, bro. I can't wait. I saw some tail lights. I think it was the Alpha X tail lights too, bro. So, I don't know, but I may get those. I'm still thinking. They're a little pricey, but I still may get them. So stay tuned, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, man, and just wait. When I come back on, y'all see these cool ass headlights. All right, JJLEE squad, bumpers off, headlights are on. I hope y'all are ready. What is this? Oh, hope y'all ready. The only part I don't like about them, they got the yellow bulbs. I probably look on eBay and go to AutoZone and try to find some blue or some clear ones. But that is how we looking, bro. Look how sick that look. Sequential freaking turn signals. That's a daytime running light and everything. It's easy, bro. But yeah, I tried to swap them over from the new head from my old ones, but that didn't work. Let me go ahead and turn the lights on again to show y'all. They are yellow. I don't like the yellow, but I'll find some new bulbs. But y'all can see, look pretty crispy. I ain't gonna lie, I love it. But I'm gonna give me some new bulbs anyway. But pretty much, let me go ahead and put this bumper back on and call it a day. I did leave the back of the headlight open because I don't have to take off the bumper to change the bulb or nothing like that. I can just reach right here, take this off, reach behind it right there. So it's not too much problem. So I'm gonna rock it like that, see how it do. But that's how we looking. Oh shoot, almost fell. Look at that, bro. That's crispy. Crispy. I ain't gonna lie. Yes, sir. Stay tuned for the at night video. If y'all can hear me, bro, but that's how they looking. That looks thick, if you ask me, bro. That really does. So stay tuned, man. Just want to show out the after. Like I said, I'm gonna look up some bulbs so I can get that clear bulb. I don't like that yellow. That yellow throws it off because the fog lights are clear. So stay tuned. Let me go ahead and bounce out of here. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If the like, subscribe, favorite, share. I will catch y'all later. Yeah, bro. Alrighty, JJLEE squad. Final part of the video. The headlights are on, the bumper is on. We said we do shit. So have y'all go ahead and take a look, man. You already seen the fades and stuff. Next video y'all probably see is at night or something like that. But turn around. Here we go, bro. Look at them bitches, bro. They look so good, bro. That's crazy. That is freaking crazy. See, look at that. I love that, bro. See, the only thing is that they're yellow. I don't like that. I'm looking on Amazon right now for some LED ones or some HID ones, something like that. Cause, bro, AutoZone is trying to rob you. Them bitch, I saw some, bro. They almost $70. No. Yeah, that's how we looking, bro. It's different, bro. I haven't seen these around. So, hey, I'm happy with it, bro, honestly. But the little bulb thing is small. I can get a new bulb, change it. At least both the headlights work. They look good. They look clean. They got here quick. And I'm happy with the results, as y'all can see, bro. So, like, I was thinking getting, like, the ghost box or something to make them, like, DRL or something like that. But, bro, I'm simple, and I'm kind of happy with them. Just clean, white, not doing too much. On point. That's what I like right there, bro. And it goes well with the kit and everything, bro. So I'm very satisfied with this purchase, bro. It was time to change it up. So, yeah. Tell me what y'all think, man. I will leave a link to the headlights in the description. And like I said, leave a comment. Thank y'all for watching. Next video I will see you will be at night, to get the full effect of the headlights. Night view of the new headlights. That is how we looking, bro. Let me turn it off real quick. Hold up. Hold up. Turn the handles on again real quick. That's how we looking, bro. Look how crispy that is, bro. Yes, sir.